Kate here at WTI, and I'm a firm believer that great lighting can transform any space, and these string lights from GOZIG are no exception. This comes in 150 feet length, such a long string of lights to be able to string up however you wish. You can even buy multiples and put them together. For us, this was the perfect length to be able to decorate our little outdoor patio area. It really gives this beautiful ambiance, especially when the sun goes down. They're spaced about 2 feet apart. They're a really beautiful shape, and they are shatterproof. They are weatherproof, so even outside in the elements, the rain, the wind, the snow, you can leave these up all year round and know that they're tough enough to withstand the weather. Each light comes with a little hook, so you can absolutely string these up very nicely on beams or however you wish. We just put up some screws on these poles and strung them together that way. I really appreciate that they come with a length at the end that doesn't have any bulbs so that you can plug it in. And that's all it takes. You plug it in and it's ready to go. So if you're looking to cozy up your space, either indoor or outdoor, I think these lights are an awesome addition. We've had them up for almost a month now, and they really do add to the atmosphere, and they're very well made. We've been very impressed with them, and that's my point of view.